But if you want to talk about turbulence, cumulonimbus clouds or thunderstorm clouds are the clouds that have the greatest amount of turbulence in them. Now, a very hazardous atmospheric phenomenon that you find near thunderstorms is wind shear turbulence. Wind shear, remember we said, has to do with when the wind rapidly changes either direction or velocity. And in the neighborhood of thunderstorms like this, it's doing both and doing them a lot, so you have a lot of wind shear turbulence. Now, a weather phenomenon that you always get with a thunderstorm is lightning. Lightning because even though you got a big cloud and maybe even rain, until somebody sees lightning coming out of it, it's simply a cumulonimbus, a big cumulus cloud with rain coming out of it. But as soon as the lightning is spotted, now by definition, it becomes a thunderstorm cloud. Now, the most dangerous types of thunderstorms are squall line thunderstorms. Squall lines are a very narrow band of very active thunderstorms. They typically develop in front of a cold front, fast moving, and they produce the most intense hazard to aircraft. Possible tornadoes, large hail, very heavy rain, strong winds, and that is in part because of the long life cycle of squall line thunderstorms, because they move rapidly and they kind of tilt, lean over. They have a lot of energy going into them, and therefore they become the most hazardous. Now, for a cumulonimbus or thunderstorm cloud to form, you need three basic ingredients. You need a lifting force, you need unstable air, and you need moist air. You need a high humidity. A lifting action to start the air rising, unstable air so the air wants to keep rising once it starts, and moist air, high humidity, for it to provide energy for the storm to grow. Now, as a storm grows, it goes through three basic stages. The first stage, the cumulus stage, is where that storm has basically continuous updrafts in it. In the growing or cumulus stage, you've got pretty much continuous updrafts. The next stage is the mature stage, and in the mature stage, you not only have strong updrafts, you also have strong downdrafts. You can tell it's reached the mature stage because precipitation begins to fall out of the cloud, and that's the stage with the greatest thunderstorm intensity and the most hazard. Now, the third and last stage of a thunderstorm is the dissipating stage. In the dissipating stage, pretty much all of the air currents are moving down and out. The storms run out of energy and it's dying out.